Oras na ba?
It's 5 o'clock.
8:42 ng umaga. Yan. Morning, Ate Riley.
Morning.
It's nice and sunny outside, but
it's cold.
See, so let's get ready for breakfast.
Good morning, guys. It's day 2 of our camping trip.
Alright. Yan. Good morning, guys.
Are you okay?
Stay na muna, mag-ready na muna tayo for breakfast, then we're gonna go for a walk. Oh, katulad na kaagad. Start na rin tayo ng fire para medyo warm.
I did it like over the trees.
Alright.
High and then it went like...
Ganda ng araw, guys. Ganda.
Walking the wood.
What are you drinking?
Hot cocoa?
Hot cocoa. Getting ready for breakfast, pancakes, and hot dogs and eggs. And so, we're gonna go for a walk. Wala mo na yung site namin. Ito yung mga ibang site na vacant. May trailer doon. Ayun. Another site. Ayan. Ito medyo malaki tong site na to. Stop touching that, please.
We have water guns.
Ayun. And then may kapitbahay kami dito. Ayan. Dito, meron silang kayak.
So pretty!
What is that?
It's a shiny rock. At the page, can you hold the water gun? Thank you.
Kapitbahay din dito. Ang ganda ng trailer nila. Parang tent pero it's a trailer. So, eto maganda yung pwesto dito kasi right on the other side beach yun. See? Para siyang tent trailer siya. Sounds like may nagkakat ng grass. Ayun, may nagkakat ng grass doon. Ayan. So, it'd be nice kung may trailer. Diba? Oh, may access din dito. Yeah, mas maganda doon sa kabila. You know, it's better on the other side. There's more sand. It's more sand on the other side.
Oh my gosh!
Riley, stop picking up rocks.
These are not rocks, these are dead. They are not dead. Those are dead. This is very kind. You missed the extra R. Mom, you said germs.
Oh, may trailer din dito sa kabila. Oh. Okay. Yung tent sa roof rack, yung ganun. Oh. Better. Ito, maliit lang yung trailer niya. Maganda din.
Did we lock it?
Huh?
Did we lock the tent?
And there's people playing here.
Did we lock the tent? Did we lock the tent?
Hey, that's our site right there. That's Perla.
Where?
Yeah, right there, Casey. Over there, the other side, on your other side.
Casey! Oh yeah, it's over there. So we have to go this way. This way.
This is to the dock if you have boat or you want to go fishing. Right here.
So we go straight?
We go straight if you guys want to go to the beach. But this one,
Can we go
If you wanna go canoeing or fishing or boat,
First,
it's here. Oh, that's the water.
the water.
Mhm.
I'm not gonna get carried away.
No running, please. No running. Nagpapaddling dun sa gitna, oh.
Huwag silang mag-swimming dito, malabo.
Dun nga. This is not the swimming place. Hey, I see fish. I see fish. That's the thing.
We could go on the boat.
No, it's not our boat. And doon sila pwede mag-swimming. Yes.
Mommy, watch this.
Riley, be careful, please.
Then stop shaking it. Daddy, look at this.
Okay, can you come back here, please?
Later.
No, don't do that. I have my thing in here.
It's a lot of... The water's warm, honey. It's so deep. Look how
paddling.
far it goes.
Pwede ba tayo umupo dito and then picturean mo kami ng mga bata, harap kami ganun.
I just want to go on the boat.
They were fishing here yesterday. May nang nag-fishing dito.
No, and then...
Malinaw yung tubig, guys.
Take a picture.
What are you doing, Riley?
What? The water's warm.
Yeah, and now we're gonna go for a swim.
Yeah,
Naka-ready na, naka-life jacket pa. Akala mo naman ang lalim.
it is.
Ano pang campsite? Ganun floaty.
Oh, I get all you.
Yun o, nagtitinda ng mga pots dito.
Siyempre naman sinasabi.
Are you excited? Yeah.
Beach. Right there. No running, please.
No running.
Wala pa mga campsite doon. Ganda ng setup nila dito. Ganda ng setup nila dito.
Also, ito, damahan, nilagyan lang nila ng ano.
Saan? Hold on, guys.
You have to like launch it. Oh, I'm still wearing a sweater with my cell phone. If you come here, and you're also wearing your glasses. Oh my god. Sorry.
Sabi ko, bumalik ka dito.
That is oopsies.
It's wet already.
Paige, be careful, ha?
How's
How's the water?
Guys, we're in the water now. Ew.
I think that's a trail there. Yeah, people go biking and walking over there. See? Yan guys, ang ganda ng Yung tubig sa kuwan kasi hindi siya malamig. Oh. Hindi siya malamig, so sarap magbabad sa tubig. Yo, after swimming, nakaligo na ang mga itlog.
Huh?
Luluto na ng lunch si Mami Heidi.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, mixed vegetable. And we get some Gigi and fried rice. And Riley's inside changing. And
Why are you saying that?
what's wrong with that? You're changing. Then nakahang dito yung mga nakalap na natin nila. Ano itong katol? Ang gana pa rin ito na.
Put it on that side. In U.S.
There
history
you go.
was ever played.
They're playing
A,
trivia.
New York,
New York. New York.
New York. B,
What is that? Hoboken, New Jersey.
Hoboken, New Jersey. C,
Atlanta, Georgia.
Atlanta, Georgia.
Atlanta, Georgia.
No,
What is it? B.
B.
Mm.
Mickey Mouse was originally created as a
Replacement.
replacement for what the other Walt Disney character? A, Felix the Cat. B, Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. Or C, Garfield.
Oswald, the Lucky Rabbit.
Yes.
Mm.
What president was the first to live in the White House? A, George Washington. B, John Adams. Or C, Thomas Jefferson.
Is that a president?
Oh, what's the answer out there?
B.
Yes.
What's the answer?
John Adams.
Wow.
To make brown sugar, which ingredient is
Yan mga ka-daily. So for tonight's menu for dinner, gonna get a burger night tonight. Magpapahinga si Mami Heidi. So let's see, Riley, this me page, and my boy. Alright, who's ready for dinner?
B.
me?
Mm-hmm.
You sound so unbusy.
Alright. Ayan, lalaro na naman sila. Then, tapos na yung burger natin. Yo, ng finished product. Ayan. Riley?
Yeah?
Come on, dinner time. Come on.
No, not yet.
Come on.
Cleaning.
Alright. Careful.
We're gonna have to glue this. Glue the whole thing. The whole.
Usin natin itong kapoy natin. Ano natin yung mga nasimot ni Pesi kanina. Kasi yung mga hoy. Ay. Mom is not back?
No.
Chocolate. Walang chocolate.
Okay, yeah.
Riley, let's see that.
2 bars.
Let's see. Come closer. Oh, that marshmallow. My goodness.
Look at this, buddy.
Tinga.
Buddy.
Sunog na. Konti lang dapat kung sunugin.
I'm making one for
Okay,
you.
let's wait. Wala pang chocolate yan.
Can I go first since I have
Nangahoy na naman, no?
I made mine first.
Taka.
Yeah, but I touched the crackers.
Ano ba yun?
There you go, Mom. That's yours.
Sige natin. Yoink. Ito, Paige, ready na sa'yo?
No. Wow!
Let's see. Tuwan-tuwa na naman yung isang bata. Oh. My God.
I'm gonna have 16. Oh. I can't do it.
Sabi ko sa'yo, konti lang eh.
I got the money.
Tracy, I know, how was it?
Good.
So which one is better, this one or the one from yesterday?
I know, right?
This one because it has bigger chocolate
Ah,
and more marshmallows.
this one's better than the yesterday. Has a bigger chocolate and more marshmallow. My God. Tingnan teknik ng kamay mo. Para kang maglilit yun eh, oh.
I'm just putting one. So this one's for Daddy.
Oh, ikuti. Nasaan pampahid mo?
I'm just putting one marshmallow for this one.
Yung pampahid mo na mamula.
This one marshmallow's for Daddy. You guys finished all the chocolate already? No. I think you're putting
Oh, Pacey. Day ka, hindi marshmallow. Oh, ayan.
That's gonna take a long time to cook.
Ayun nga lang. Oh, ha? Let's get groovy. And groovy. Nakain ka ba din nan? My God.
I gave that one to him.
Oh, luto na to.
Was good. Set it on fire.
May nabulok. Can I have your hot dog? Ano sabi mo?
Can I have your hot dog?
Sure.
Daddy, I wanna roast it.
Hmm?
I wanna roast it.
Ay, gaya kayo eh. Meron na kayong ano.
You don't even know if it's done cooking.
Ano? Ay, ang daming naiinggit.
I'm gonna put a stick on it. No, that's yours, isn't it? You got a friend in me.
Hot diggity dog. Hot diggity
Madali yan nga.
dog.
Hindi maluluto yung loob.
Did you
Maluluto
even put
din
the
yan.
cuts in?
Hindi.
You didn't cut it. You're
Yeah,
supposed
kasi naglinis kasi nahugasan na ni mama yung mga
Plastic.
Did you know we're cooking a pig?
Not a pig, it's chicken.
What? Did you know?
Chicken hot dog. Meron kasi.
Look at Daily, my hands are so sticky.
Pati nga. Yeah. Go wash your hands. Let's see your hot dog. Luto na ba yan? Di pa.
Mommy.
Ano na?
Can you pull it my sleeves, please?
I don't think it's gonna be cooked.
Of course it will. Come on.
I miss going to school.
No, really. She missed going to school now.
Even though I have to wake up early, I still miss going to school.
Hi, mga Dailies. We're gonna sleep. We're gonna see you in day 3.
Alright.